Religion and science are intertwined with each other and cannot be separated. These are the two wings with which humanity must fly. One wing is not enough. Every religion which does not concern itself with science is mere tradition. Therefore, science, education, and civilization are most important necessities for the full religious life.